Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to enable or disable show location of mouse pointer by pressing Ctrl keys. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open Windows menu, that is start menu, and just go to settings option. Once I click a settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available in the settings portions over here. So on your right hand side, find the settings will be there. Just type mouse. Once you type mouse, there will be a mouse settings will be open here, that is mouse settings. Just hit the button. This is a mouse settings. So now I just want to increase the mouse pointer and speed, everything I can do using these options. So this is my mouse pointer speed. I just want to increase the size, means this pointer will be fast. So if you want to medium size of this, you can keep it as a medium size, which you need to know about all things. Yes, so just scroll down, you will have a mouse pointer options and additional mouse settings will be there. Just click the mouse settings option, additional mouse settings option. There will be a pop-up will be open here. So here there will be a pointers, and here there will be a pointers option. So now I just want to show you the pointers options. Show location of pointers when you press a control. Just click OK and apply, means there will be a pointer will be added over here, as you see here. So there will be a pointer. So while I click here or while I click that, so automatically the pointer will be displayed over here. So I just want to remove that option. So just go to the same pointer option to remove this, so that the blinking will not be there. So this is a simple and easiest way. I just want to increase the mouse size. Just go to mouse pointer and touch. There will be a model of the mouse style will be there. While I change, automatically it will be changing my mouse. So I just increase the font size so that the mouse size will be increased, as you see here. So I can able to change according to my need, and the color also. So I want to change the mouse color will be available. I can choose and I can have an access over here. So if you want to have a mouse, it's a normal things, and just reduce the size of the mouse, automatically it will be reduced. So that this settings will be accessibility will be used to increase the mouse size and pointers, everything. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.